What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. This is part 2 of the morph video thing that I made yesterday. So anyway, guys, if you want to see part 1 to get a full overview of what this is, then I left a link to the video of part 1. And to buy this, you're gonna have to actually check out part 1 because the link to this description, I'm gonna put it in part 1. So you'll actually have to, I'm gonna force y'all to watch the first video I made about this. It's only like 2 minutes long, but it gives you like a overview of what this is. So right now, this is the group. This is the one that costs the leader stat. This is the game pass that can kill people. This is the game pass one, and this is the developer product. And for example, if you don't want it to look like you don't want it to look like whoever this guy's name is, you can just insert a free model. Let's take this guy. He's unanchored, so let's just let's go to here and let's take its animation. That's all we need. You're gonna press Control C, and then when you click him, you're gonna press Control V. Then let's go to the humanoid. And to remove this thing that says view, or I mean noob, you want to go to display the distance type and go to none. And then once you do that, you're going to have to anchor him. Once you anchor your NPC, you want to press F2. Then you want to say R6. Once you do that, press Control X, press Alt, and then click this. And then click this, delete it, and go to the one, click this again, and then insert it, and then drag it up here. And then now it should work. Um, don't mind the avatar. And look, now we have a noob. That's how easy it is to add new things. Yeah, now we're a noob. Also, I don't know if this counts in the group. What the heck just happened? Why did the plunger stick my head in? What the heck just happened? Why was there a plunger in my head? Hold on. I may have to fix that. There's probably some code in here. Because this is a random free model I had. Where are you? Is there like code in here? What the heck? Wait, why did it... Yo, that's weird. Why did it make me have a plunger? Yeah, why does it make you have a plunger? There's no code in it. How the hell is it doing that? What? How is it doing that? What is this? What is all this? We only need the weld. We literally only need the weld. Let's see if this fixes it. There's no code in there. How is it doing it? Guys, we might have to remove the plunger. I have no idea how it's working. Because if we remove the weld, it's just gonna fall down. Wait, what? Wait. I'm really confused right now. Wait, it's like... Oh, this is the hitbox. And it's like forcing you to... Like, what? Okay, so the hat... Oh, I know what it is. It's because it's a hat accessory. So if I put my arm... I have no idea what the heck. Yeah, guys, we're just gonna remove the plunger. I'm sorry, guys. It is what it is. The plunger had to be removed. I have no idea why it was doing that. Yeah, but if you want this, and you think this is cool, make sure to go linky in the description-y. This guy's pretty slow. We should make him a little bit faster. Click him. His humanoid. Let's make his walk speed 999. So if you're in the group, oopsie. If you're in the group, you get a really fast guy. He's so fast. Oh my goodness, he's so fast. He almost fell off the... And he did fall. Guys, y'all need to like and subscribe right now. If you want... Oh, by the way, go to the description and check part 1 to see how this thing works. Wait, why did I just show you the camera? I don't even know. Peace. See ya. Thanks for watching.